Yeah. Another review time. Let's get the scissors. See what we got in this bag, this mystery bag. Oh, more Legos. Check it out. Vega from Street Fighter. Representing Street Fighter, you got Vega. Look at that. I like that. Oh, nice. Wolverine from Xmen. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Wolverine. Mr. Sinister. Mr. Sinister. I know the cape's kind of messed up, but that's the best I could do. You got Gambit. First off, we have Gambit. Look at that, aliens. And you got aliens. Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. From Nightmare Before Christmas, you got Jack Skellington with a pumpkin head. Look what this is. This is gonna be funny. Donald Trump, make America great again. Hell no. Next we got our president, Donald Trump. Look at that hair. And with his hat that says, "Make America Great Again." That's just too funny. The Riddler from Batman. Next, you got the Riddler. Looks like he's up to no good. Good thing he's handcuffed. Look at this. A SWAT. One of the police. SWAT team. And you got the SWAT team. Oh, Broly from Dragon Ball Z. Next we got one of my favorite villains of all time, Broly. The legendary Super Saiyan. And check it out. He even got a Dragon Ball. Not good, not good. Bam, you got Goku, Super Saiyan. Little yellow hair. And we got Super Saiyan Goku. Got some weapons. Alright. Looks like I got some building to do. Alright, here's my collection. Wolverine. Vega. The Riddler. Gambit. Mr. Sinister, Jack Skellington for Nightmare Before Christmas, Donald Trump, Alien. Then we got the SWAT team right here. You got Broly. And then Goku.